How to build a shade stable. Tools needed: hammer, socket wrench, ladder, rope, safety glasses, tape measure, utility knife, adjustable wrench, drill. This training video will show you how easy it is to assemble a shade stable in just a few simple steps in under 1 hour. Step 1. Start by installing the base rail for the shade stable. Connect each base rail's end with the connection tubes. Place tack screw accordingly. Do the same on the other side of the base rail. Repeat the steps for the other base rail. Step 2. Assemble the arcs. Connect each arc tubing's end using the slip fit connection system. Connect the joints by placing the bolts into the holes. Secure the bolt by tightening the nut with a socket or adjustable wrench. Repeat the steps to assemble the other arcs. Step 3. After assembling the front, middle and back arcs, connect them to the base rails. Secure them to the base rail with the intended nut and bolt. Now, connect the purlins to the arcs to stabilize them. Use the clamps and bolts provided to secure the purlins to the arcs. Repeat the steps for the other purlins. Step 4. Secure the structure to the ground with the stake bags. Step 5. Place the PVC roof over the arcs. Secure both sides of the roof to the arc using the rope. Tie it to the bottom purlins as shown on this video. Tighten and secure the back and front edge of the roof to the uprights using the ratchet and strap. Step 6. Assemble the panels. Connect the panels to the uprights and secure it with the bolt pin. Lock the end and rear panel with the included U-type bolt pin. Step 7. Cover the side panels with the side cloth and secure it with the rope as shown in this video. Step 8. Cover the back arc with the shade cloth for the rear wall. Tie it to the arc with the rope as shown in this video. There you have it. Nice and easy installation in just a few simple steps in under 1 hour.
Hey guys, listen, this is a fantastic look at one of our great products. Now this is the animal shelter. Check these gates out, aren't they awesome? Just have to love them. Now you can put one whole horse in here, pigs, cows, whatever you want. This is massive. And a cover, but I tell you what, if you're interested in getting an animal cover, you need to go and have a look at our website at Blocky Supplies and grab one of these for your horse, your cow, whatever you want. It's unreal.